How to use walls in Revit 2027. Go to architecture, then go to wall architectural. Then here in properties, we have walls. Let's select this one. Then go to edit type. I can draw it. Let's draw these lines. And I have these concrete walls. Let's make it from level 1 and top content. Let's make it to level 2. Go to 3D. And here is our walls. Let's make the edit type. Let's make it again. Go to level 1 architectural. Then go to wall architecture, then wall architectural. Then here in properties, let's select anyone that you want. Let's make it the same. Then go to edit type. Let's duplicate it. Let's make the thickness as 0.3. Then press OK. After that, go to edit. I have the thickness here 0.25. Let's make insert and insert. Let's make the first one is 0.1. And the second one, let's make it 0.3, 0.2, because the thickness is 0.3, and this one is structure. Let's delete it. From here, I have delete, then delete it. I have 0.1 and I have 0.2. Here in materials, I have by categories. I have this rectangle or square. Press on it. And yeah, you can add your materials. Let's make the first material is wood. The 0.1 is wood. Let's make this wood, then press OK. And the second one, let's make it concrete. Press on it again. Let's select this one, then press OK, then OK. Then press on OK. And here on properties, I have my wall 0.3. Again, go to lines. Let's make it, or let's make a rectangle from this point to this point. Now let's go to 3D. And here is our walls. Let's select all of them. Let's make it from level 1 to level 2. And here is our walls.